Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Khadijah, and I am back with another reading here for my Leo Collective. I almost forgot my name, y'all. Welcome to Phoenix K at night. No, let me stop playing. But it is super dark, y'all. It's dark, so I apologize. We're gonna get there. Let's see what Spirit has for you guys tonight. Holy Spirit, Spirit guides, and angels, ancestors, what do you have here for my Leo Collective? Sun, Moon, Venus, and Rising. Sun, Moon, Venus. Thank you. We have engagement ring. Engagement, partnership, commitment, eternity, completion, and union. And at the bottom of the deck, we have stabbed in the back, heartbreak, pain, separation, deception, shady, attack. Oh, shocking attack. Maybe shady, too. Maybe somebody was being shady, Leo. Alright, Holy Spirit, Spirit guides, and angels, ancestors, please give me the situation here for Leo. Situation here for Leo. Whoa. I'm not sure if the Hermit wanted to come in reverse, Leo, but I do know here with the Two of Fire that you could be planning something, Leo. Definitely taking action on something and making a lot of progress. It feels like you have done a lot of introspection. You have went within and even withdrawn from certain things, people, places. I mean, it could be really anything, but out of it became wiser. And it's a big, huge life change here for you. Completion. That's what it feels like. With the transformation, you see this angel here is like walking her out, or him, out of a tower. So definitely could have completed something. We have the butterfly here. Oh, that didn't come out. Okay. With a 9 of air, you could be worried, having sleepless nights, barely sleeping at night. There's some type of negativity going on, and it's like has your full mind. You could be trying to persevere, Leo, trying to move forward from a situation as well. Whoa. We have this Knight of Fire energy for the outside influences. And the 8 of Wands talks about communication. This opportunities coming in, multitasking, a lot of activity. And it's very fast. It's very fast activity, Leo. how that came out. It's just crazy. Thank you, Spirit. So I'm not sure if you have spoken to this person at all. But it definitely feels like you pulled back. You could be rebuilding here, planning to rebuild, making a lot of progress. You could be finding new people to collaborate with, new jobs. But you're definitely planning something. And it could be financial. Walking away from people, places, and things that don't feel good to you anymore, that don't serve. And it definitely feels like with the Hermit energy, you have did a lot of the soul searching, and you're ready to come back out and play, Leo. You know, follow your dreams, and the ships are coming in towards you. Then you get into this energy, Leo, with the negativity, worry, sleepless nights. And it could be of worry, worrying, you know, about someone here. Could be working against you, Leo. Tell me with the 9 of Pentacles, Spirit. It's like every time you get into this energy of going towards something else, going towards a new beginning, making progress, doing what you have to do, rebuilding, someone comes and makes you second guess yourself. They come in very swiftly, like, I wanna invest. So this is someone also could be worried about you, trying to tap into your energy. Tell me what the 7 is gonna. Yeah, wanting to start something over. Thank you, Spirit. Wanting to come towards you in this very confident energy. Like they'll do whatever for you, like they'll fight for you, you know. Yeah. Wanting to bring something back to life, so that could be very give you sleepless nights for sure. And you feel like it's very negative. And it's only when this person feels ignored. It's only when this person feels like, oh, Leo ain't worrying about me, that they come back. With the Five of Cups, having you feel sorry for them and just like, oh, Leo, you know, I'm super regretful. I feel bad about what happened. You know, I'm missing you. I'm feeling this loss with the decision you made and all this other stuff. Tell me about the Four of Cups. Yeah. Only when you are not paying attention to them do they be like, what is Leo doing? Where is Leo at? Well, they ain't not giving me no energy. So there's somebody that's really full of themselves. I'm going to say that for sure. Remember the Nine of Wands here, Spirit. Yeah, they're like, I miss the relationship. I miss the happiness. I miss you, Leo. You are my family here. But with the Seven of Swords, it's really like kind of lying, because you're in this Nine of Pentacles energy, of course, being content in your own energy, planning, you know, keeping yourself grounded here, focusing on finances and building and starting over and where it matters, you know, nurturing yourself, taking care of home, could even be taking care of others, but detaching from emotions as you go. And yeah, this person is playing games. Their energy here is a Knight of Fire. Tell me about this Page of Cups. And a Three of Swords. Don't like it because it's something is changing, right? And they're in this energy of in and out, back and forth, very passionate energy. They could be very exciting and make you feel like a youthful energy, but the Knight of Fire here doesn't always get a good reputation, for sure. Especially with this page, the Page of Cups here, like love bombing energy. With the Three of Swords as well, it's like wanting to repeat a cycle here, wanting to repeat it, wanting to tell you what you need to hear to get back good with the Ten of Pentacles here, but heavily burdened and will win at all costs, even if that means to confuse you, to give you illusions, to put you as a other option, you know, and cover it up with the Ace of Pentacles. Make it look real nice. Yeah, breadcrumb energy for sure. The Five of Wands here. Okay. That's the truth, Leo. And I feel you see right through this person here. Look at this. I mean, it's for their own benefit, for their own selfish gain. The Wheel of Fortune. Thank you, Spirit. Yep. There we go. Another cycle so they can feel good. It's like, what? Even if you don't feel good, as long as they feel good. That's what it looks like. Tell me what the Ten of Pentacles here, Spirit. Yeah, here we go with the Five of Swords. I'm feeling like you see this clearly. And this person knows exactly what they're doing and how to do it. So the challenge here is these passionate messages that's coming towards you very fast, very convincing person here coming towards you. They could be speaking, speaking their ass off, Leo. Literally. About how they want a new beginning and how it's going to be different and it's going to be a change. And it can work this time here, but they don't really even believe that. Gemini, Aquarius, Libra. Heavy on a Gemini. Aries. They definitely could play off love. This person does love you, Leo. Yeah. Definitely messages coming in towards you with the Seven of Cups that could make you very confused. It's like, what? With the Ace of Pentacles, and it's just really illusions about how it's going to be different and it's going to be successful this time. And with the Seven of Cups. There we go. Seven of Swords and a Six of Wands, Leo. Tell you whatever they think you want to hear. And you could be well on your way to a new beginning. That's what it looks like. Like, you're planning your future. You get a lot of recognition as well. And this person knows that. Like, you can have whatever you want. With the two, oh my goodness, that's crazy. The Two of Swords and Injustice here. Have whatever you want, Leo. What you deserve here. And you know it. That's why we have this Empress right here behind her. The Queen of Swords and the High Priestess. You know it. I feel like you see straight through this person. So definitely messages about that. Working on a connection. Working on the love. Turn with the Eight of Pentacles. I'm just hearing somebody say it's gonna be better, Leo. It's gonna be better. You know. Just give me a chance. You know, slow and steady wins the race. I'm hearing it all. Tell me about the Hermit. Number 9 here at the top. Yeah, you've been healing, doing a lot of soul searching here. Keeping to yourself. Could have felt abandoned, isolated. So, thank you, Spirit. But definitely have pulled back and been very courageous and fearless on this journey here. And you're so close, Leo. You're so close. And your intuition is telling you everything you need to hear. Your intuition is on fire about this person here with the Knight of Wands. That they're non-committal. That they're just, you know, they need to grow up. They need to grow up. With the High Priestess. Thank you, Spirit. Yeah, thank you, Spirit. With the Queen of Swords here and the Nine of Swords. And you love this person. You could honestly, truly love this person, but you love yourself more. So this is like choosing yourself over anything. And I feel like you're going to do that. You're going to do what's good for you. So yeah, these are your messages, Leo. I hope that you guys enjoyed them, and I'll see you guys in the next reading. Bye.